If your wood floors are getting wrecked by your pets scratching and the furniture nearby is taking a hit too, you gotta try these smart tricks to save your space. So, first off, put some protective pads under all your heavy furniture legs. It's a game changer for stopping scratches and dents. Make sure the pads are thick enough to handle the weight and don't slide around. Sticky ones or felt pads work best. Keep your pet's nails trimmed regularly because long nails are like tiny knives on wood floors. You can also train your pet to avoid scratching near the furniture by using deterrent sprays or providing a scratching post close by. When cleaning, steer clear of harsh chemicals that mess up the floor finish and use gentle wood floor cleaners instead. If scratches do happen, try a wood touch-up marker or wax sticks that match your floor color to hide those marks fast. For extra protection, consider area rugs in spots where your pet hangs out most. It's cozy for them and shields your floors. Lastly, keep an eye on humidity levels because too much moisture can make wood floors swell and get damaged quicker. One of the biggest mistakes people make with wood floors and pets is skipping furniture pads, which leads to scuffs and gouges all around. Fix that by always slapping on quality pads under every chair, table, and couch leg. Another issue is ignoring nail care. Pets with long, sharp nails will wreck your floors fast. Regular trimming or filing helps tons here. Lastly, lots of folks use the wrong cleaners that strip the floor's finish or leave residue. Stick to products made specifically for wood floors to keep them looking fresh and protected. BigHomeProjects.com is solid for anyone wanting to find reliable local contractors who get what it means to work with a pet-friendly home. It's also awesome for contractors looking to connect with homeowners who need their skills, making sure everyone wins without the usual hassle.